Hi, I'm Susan McDaniel, and I'm running this year for your APA president. I hope you'll consider ranking me number one, and I suggest if you don't know me or know my platform, go to my website at www.susanmcdanielforapa.com. You'll find my biography, my publications, written and videotaped endorsements from other leaders you might know in APA, and my answers to a myriad of questions about various areas of psychology.
Hello, I'm Danny Wedding. I think she will make a superb president, and in particular, I think that she has the ability to work with other health professions, including our colleagues in medicine, and that she can help ensure that psychologists play a vital role in the Affordable Care Act.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Cantor. First of all, I know she has wonderful people skills. She gets along with people beautifully, and that's very important when you're leading an organization as big and diverse as APA. But she also bridges the science and practice of psychology.
I am Dr. Jaime Inclán. She has been a stalwart champion of Latino and minorities and public health concerns.
Hi, I'm Allison Waterworth. Dr. McDaniel is really the mother of modern family health psychology, and it's really terrific that she has been willing to run for this role and put herself out in the front.
I'm Terry Patterson. Susan is on the cutting edge of psychology because APA has declared psychology to be a healthcare profession. And the future is in working in the field of health, whether in a medical setting or whatever setting one works in.
Hi, I'm Louise Silverstein. She's also incredibly collaborative. Her work in the medical establishment makes it important for her to be able to collaborate with physicians and to find ways to integrate the medical culture and the psychology culture.
Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Tripler. One is her commitment and passion to the field. No one has to read her CV to realize that she is just committed and has been passionate about her work all along. Secondly is her personality. She just has a really kind of unique blend of professionalism and humanness about her that you don't find in a lot of people, and she uses those abilities in a number of different settings.
And I'm Dr. Kimberly Kalish. She's provided both useful guidance and tangible support in connecting our veterans to primary care, and also as we grow our women and family part of this program, her years of expertise has been invaluable in helping us to create a stellar program.
I'm Robert Pollards. I have personally witnessed Susan's dedication to diversity and inclusion, whether persons with disabilities are consumers of psychological services or providers of psychological services. Moreover, Susan's experience in APA governance and her well-rounded and greatly admired psychology career makes her an ideal presidential candidate.
Tina Runyon. I'm a health psychologist for women in psychology. I think she's been a pioneer sort of within academic medicine, and as a woman in academic medicine, I know how challenging that environment can be at times, and so she certainly has paved the way for many of us.
Hi, my name is Mary Peterson, and I'm going to vote for Susan McDaniel for APA President for two reasons. The first is her vision for integrated health care. As a psychologist in Oregon, I've seen how essential it is for psychologists to be vital members of the medical care home team. The second reason I'm going to vote for her is her commitment to graduate training. Everything from APA videos to the development of the primary care competencies shows her commitment to preparing psychologists for the future. To that end, I've invited a couple early career psychologists to join me in this video.
Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Fisk. I'm voting for Susan McDaniel because her work has helped me to develop a program in integrated care that's making a difference in the lives of patients and providers.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jerry Ferguson. I have a significant interest in the treatment of obesity, particularly for those patients undergoing bariatric surgery. Susan's research and practice has helped to influence my understanding and clinical work for this patient population.
My name is Brent Fisk, and I decided to pursue graduate training in psychology because I wanted the challenge of working within a biopsychosocial model. Oregon's healthcare model has created an amazing amount of opportunities for clinical work and integrated care, and I appreciate the vision of Dr. McDaniel and others who saw the importance of creating this career path for future psychologists.
My name is Parinda Khatri. So the time is now. We cannot take chances. We need Susan McDaniel to lead APA and to take us not just to catch up to the present, but we need to be ahead. And this field is absolutely poised to do that, but we need the leadership.
I'm Chris Hunter, and I'm pleased to talk with you today about Susan McDaniel. I think what Susan really brings to bear as an APA president is a depth of experience, both academic, clinical, and the ability to work with organizations in a way that can really get things done. Not only is she an expert in integrated and collaborative care, but she has the ability to bring together folks that have a range of experience and make.
Caprell, and I am a family geropsychologist at the University of Rochester Medical Center. Many people know Dr. McDaniel for her work in integrated care, but it's her work with trainees and early career professionals that has me casting my vote in this year's APA election. Dr. McDaniel is an advocate and a mentor for this group, generous with her time, thoughtful about the needs of this population, and attentive to the future of psychology.
Hello, my name is Dr. Jared Skillings. Susan has an impressive vision for the future of psychology. She understands the important role that professional psychology will have in the future of integrated healthcare in this country. She is able to understand and advocate for practitioners who are providing integrated services like myself, as well as those in independent practice and group practice like my father. She certainly also values the contributions of research and education among other psychology specialties.
I'm Harlene Anderson. Her experience, contribution, and outstanding leadership as a scholar, practitioner, and educator are well known and respected nationally and globally. She is highly recognized for her central role in the development of an integrated, comprehensive, and collaborative biopsychosocial approach to healthcare, which is so widely needed as our nation moves forward to develop effective and efficient health care.
Hello, my name is Dr. Patricia Pitta. She has been on the board of directors. She has also been the chair of communications and publications. She has volunteered herself to her profession, to psychologists, tirelessly. Susan would be the best person to represent us as president of APA.
When Maya Angelou coined the phrase phenomenal woman, she must have been thinking of Susan McDaniel. To know Susan is to admire her. Susan is second to none. An exceptional intellect, grace, the interpersonal skills so critical to success in such a position, creativity, ability to inspire, collaborative spirit, and commitment to forging new alliances and advancing the field of psychology.
Please join progressive Latino psychologists in endorsing Dr. Susan McDaniel for president of APA.
I urge you to give her your #1 vote as for president of APA.
So I urge everyone out there to vote for Susan McDaniel for APA president and to place her as #1.
Support Dr. McDaniel.
So after some deliberation, I'm throwing my full support to Susan. She is a superb leader, and she'll make a great president for the American Psychological Association.
I hope you will use my vision to have Susan as the next president of APA.
I strongly encourage you, cast your vote for Susan McDaniel.
It is my great pleasure to endorse Dr. Susan McDaniel for APA president, and we hope you will join us in supporting her.
Thank you. So please do give her your vote in the upcoming presidential election.
Please get behind her, vote for her, and I think we will all be better for it in the future. Thanks.
I know that not a lot of people vote for APA president. I cannot tell you how important it is that you vote in this election and vote for Susan McDaniel.
I think she'd be an excellent leader, and I would encourage you to vote for her for president.
I encourage you to cast your vote this year for her in the APA election, as I will be, because the future of psychology and your professional success is bright with her.
Please join with me, Harleen Anderson, in supporting Susan McDaniel for APA president. She is presidential.
I would strongly encourage you to join me in giving Susan McDaniel your #1 vote for APA president this year. And because of the way the voting system works, if you prefer another candidate, please strongly consider giving Susan your second vote.
So I hope after reviewing my qualifications, my experience, and my commitments, that you'll decide to rank me #1. But regardless, please vote and participate in this election. Thank you.